Okay, let's start. So yesterday we tried to enable language, right? So language French is enabled. Okay. So how it works is now if you see here, all this field, all these labels are in English labels, right? Once the language is installed, we can change the language settings, personalization settings, languages, French. Once I click French and click OK, now everything will be showing as a French. Now you see this label, account name, telephone, website, all these are showing in a French labels. Clear? So we can install multiple languages like that and we can add the user preferred language. So let me switch back to English, personalization settings, languages, English. The buttons are still showing in a French. Ah, now it is. Okay, clear everyone? Now you see here, whenever we select the language as English, we'll see all the labels in English. Whenever we select, switch the language from English to any other, all these labels will be different. Now, what we will do, I'll just go to account form, main form. So here I will create one field. I'll say account type, save and close. Now I will place this account type here, save, publish. Okay. Now let's see when I refresh. We have account type. Now it is showing in English. Now I will change to French language. Now the French language will be loaded here. Let's refresh. You see account type still showing in English. Everything is labeled changed to French except account type. Why? Remember, all these fields are system created fields. So Microsoft will automatically translate the language whatever we enable. For example, if we enable Arabic, now when we import the Arabic language and we change the user language as Arabic, all system fields will be translate to Arabic except the custom fields. Because we have created this field, we have to provide the translations. Okay. Now how to provide this translation? So we'll go back to solution. So let me switch to English because everything will be changed to French. We'll change it to English. Refresh. Okay. New solution. So here we need, I will give the name as, solution name as translations. Now I will click on add existing. I will click on entity. I will add that field, account type field, because I want to only translate that field. Adding account. Remember this process. Fields, account type. I have added only, I didn't added any form. I added only field called account type. Okay. So now click on components. You will see the translation button in the solution. Click on translations. Click on export translation. So whatever entities fields that we have in this solution, all the file will be exported here. Okay. Now it is downloading. I will keep it in download folder. Save. Okay. Just open this. Extract. You can see here. This XML file doesn't. This is an XML type. Open with. I will open Excel. So I'm just opened the text that file into Excel. So here we need to check the field. So here information, what is the entity, what is the translation, solution name, base language, we will see it here. Display strings. So this is account entity. These are the display strings. So we won't be having here. Will be having localized labels here. So here, what is the field name? Account type. Enable editing. Searching account type. Here we have. I'll just copy this English to French. Just paste the English here. This is the French name. Copy. So you need to paste it here. Now save. Close. Now go back. Okay. Right click. Zip. Okay. Now simply what we need to do, we need to go to solutions. Open this solution, translation solution. Click on translation. Import translation. Choose file. Import. Translation file is invalid. Compressed file must contain the following file at its root. Fields folder. Extract. So this one we need to compress. Okay. So download this path. This path. Solutions. Where is the solution? Solution. Translation. Import translation. Choose file. So here this one. Translation import summary. Okay. So I will tell you in different way. Further, we need to download one tool called XR Toolbox. So you just need to search the XRM Toolbox, run XRM Toolbox, and download. Right. Once you download, a zip file will be downloaded. You need to extract that folder. So once you extract that folder, let me show you. You will be extracted like this, and you will see the XRM Toolbox. So open the tool, open this application. Okay. Okay. So here we need to establish a connection. Let me tell you. Okay. So you can see my screen, right? So here, once this XRM toolbox open, click on not connected, create new connection, click on Microsoft Login Control. Open this, click on Microsoft Login Control. So Office 365, here we need to provide our username. So my username is this. Okay. Microsoft.com. Password is this. Give any name. We have created the connection. Connect to the CRM and go to tools, search for translation. You can see easy translator. Click on easy translator. So we'll We'll discuss this each tool. Today we will discuss about Easy Translator, how it is useful. Okay. So here we can select load entities from solution. What is the solution that we have created? Translations, right? Select this translation, click OK, select the entity. So these are all the options, right? Now I want only, I don't want global option set, I don't want sitemap, I don't want dashboard, I want only attributes. I don't want anything. I'll just remove all of this. Okay. Else clear all. Just select this. Click on export translation. So you can give the name account translations save. Open. An Excel will be downloaded. You have to open this Excel. Search this name. Control F. Account type. Here. What is the label? English to French. Account type. This one. Copy. Paste it here. Simply save. Close. Open this XRM toolbox. Click on import translation. You need to just upload the translation file. This one. Okay. And then click on import translation. So you will see the progress over here. If you uncheck all of this, we have unchecked, right? We kept only attributes. If you didn't uncheck, it will export all the translation. While importing the same translation file back, it will take a lot of time. So whatever is you need to translate, whether it's the form, field, you just keep that in the solution and uncheck while exporting the data, and then update the file and then import it back. 139 got succeeded, one got failed. Let's see. It's publishing. Let's open this here. Refresh. Now it is in English. I will change to French. Personalization settings, languages, French. You see, it's translated. So that's how you need to translate for the custom fields. For system fields, whenever any new entity is created, by default, system will create some fields, right? Name, created by, created on, owner. These fields will be auto translated to any language that we enable in the CRM. But whenever we create some fields, like in application entity, we have created some fields, right? So let's move to sales. This is our application entity. You see the application name itself, the entity name is not translated. All are translated here. So when I click new, everything will be English only because it is a custom table. Okay. So for custom tables, we have to manually provide the translation and import the translation. For system, it won't do that. Like account, contact, lead. So in that system fields, whatever we create new fields, for those also we have to provide the translation. రైట్ అర్థమైందా ఏదైతే సిస్టమ్ ఎంటిటీస్ ఉన్నాయో సిస్టమ్ ఎంటిటీస్కి సిస్టమ్ ఫీల్డ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా దానికి మనం ట్రాన్స్లేషన్స్ ఇంపోర్ట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు ఏదైతే మనం ఫీల్డ్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తామో ఇప్పుడు అకౌంట్లో అకౌంట్ టైప్ అనేది కొత్తగా క్రియేట్ చేస్తాము అది కస్టమ్ ఫీల్డ్ అట్లాంటి ఫీల్డ్స్కి మాత్రమే మనం ట్రాన్స్లేషన్స్ ఇంపోర్ట్ చేయాలి అండ్ మోర్ ఓవర్ ఫర్ కస్టమ్ ఎంటిటీస్ ఏదైతే మనం ఎంటిటీస్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తామో దానికి కూడా వీ హ్యావ్ టు మాన్యువల్లీ ప్రొవైడ్ ద ట్రాన్స్లేషన్స్. So yesterday we were discussing about maps, right? Let me switch back to English. So yesterday we have enabled Google Maps, right? When we open account, Bing Maps, sorry, open any account, address one city is Redmond. You'll see the map like this. If I change the city to You see, the map will automatically update. If I change it to Dubai, it will map will be based on address one city, Dubai. If we change it to Hyderabad, we'll change something. Okay, so Hyderabad, Ghana, 5,89,000. See, this is how the map will update. Okay, if you disable the Bing Maps from the system settings, this will not be loaded. Clear?